The evolution, like many companies, is driven by our customers. We had customers that needed volume that ended up requiring a very automated system with multiple robots and a sophisticated PLC and I/O system to manage that whole process. But we find applications all over. There's parts in semiconductor manufacturing or in orthopedic implants or jet engines or heat exchangers or nuclear industry. I mean, the list sort of goes on and on. Many times we're working on complex 3D geometries or contours where you might have to profile that with conventional CNC machining. And we can replicate that in one tool over and over again. In many cases, we're actually doing multiple parts in parallel. There's a fair bit of investment to develop the technology and the equipment and operations to make it work. But when you do that, we run at a very high rate of production with good affordability, good throughput. Really, our technology is focused on those volume production applications where we can make parts for 5, 10, 30 years in some cases for our customers. Electrochemical machining in general has been a fairly niche process. And where we're trying to focus is make this technology more broadly applicable. Understanding the details of the process and building a platform, we can provide the benefits of this technology to more people. That's really our value in this industry.